So hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the 2020 version of the iPhone XR. Let's see right here. Okay, I'll show you iPhone, really cool packaging. How they have all this little tab right here. You see the Apple logo. Apple logo here. Okay, so I'm just going to pull this flap up. Second. Very nice packaging. So with this one, I have a 64 gigabyte version. There's also 128 gigabyte version. See the box here, and Apple says it's 6.84 ounces. And the display screen, here's the back side. You can see the flash here, the camera right here. The camera is actually 12 megapixels for the back, and it also has a portrait mode. The Apple logo, as you can probably see, which is iPhone right here. Let's take it out. Alright, so you have all these accessories, Lightning USB, designed by Apple in California. You have all these little cards, information on these cards. Okay. SIM clip to SIM out with this device. You have your information and of course a sticker. Okay, hold that there. And of course recyclable material. There we go. Okay, so the actual phone itself is said to have 6.1 inch display diagonally, LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology. So let's see. So here's the measuring tape I have, and right across diagonally comes about to be 6 inches. It actually goes to the border about 6 inches right there. Just for comparison, I have the iPhone 5S. Side by side, you can see the difference in size, and the 5S is really outdated. And you can see diagonal screen is about 4 inches right there. Okay, side by side here. Okay, let's power this on. And actually, before we power it on, you see we have this side button right here. We also have power, the volume up and down. And this is the black color, it's hard to see, and for the vibration ringer on there. Okay. The front camera is going to be right here, and that's going to be 7 megapixels. And the back camera does record in 4K as well as 1080p HD and 720p HD. Okay. So the front camera is right there, speaker top right there, and you have the jack right here as well as the speakers right here. Okay. Alright. As we said, the front camera is going to be 7 megapixels. And interestingly enough, it says that Apple says that there's a rated IP67 for splash water and dust resistant, and that's about 1 meter up to 30 minutes of maximum depth, which is about 3 feet. And with this version, it also has Face ID, so we'll see how that works out. Okay. Hello in different languages. And also, charging is up to 50% charge in 30 minutes via the Lightning USB cable. Okay, just click there. It loads. Pretty nice screen. Okay, we're gonna swipe up to open. Let's go with English. Click start. Oh, let's skip that part. What's up manually actually? And here's a list of Wi-Fi networks, for example. We can go through. Let's skip that for now. Okay. Okay. So it does have Face ID. So we can capture my face. Skip that for now. Let's change it later. Okay. Voice transfer later. We'll set up later. Asking that you can transfer some of your things from your Apple account. Siri later, screen time later. It'll prompt you to set these up either now or later. Choose your display. Alright. Swipe up to get started. So you have all your standard apps. Move that out the way. Alright. So then you can have your camera here. So I'm going to show you the camera. Click video. Your video or photo settings. Okay, here's an example. Okay, they're pretty good quality. Let's see if we get better in my camera. Pretty good quality there. And again, it's 12 megapixels in the front camera. Yeah, so there you go. We have all the apps right here. Different settings, different display. And the lock screen here. There you go. And the display screen here. On the side, you get your SIM card right there. So you get your SIM card device tool. This little pin. You can poke it in through here. So hear a little click. You pull out this device, and that's where the SIM would go. And then you put the SIM back. Alright. Put it back in there. I'll read your set.